Namaste everyone. As we people know that for movement of every object, force is required. In today's video, we are going to discuss about force. Force is a push or pull that changes the state of the position of an object and changes the shape of an object. There are two types of force. Those are contact and non-contact force. We have two types of contact force. Those are muscular force and friction. And there are three types of non-contact force. Those are magnetic force, gravitational force and electrostatic force. Let us study about each of them in detail with some examples. Under contact force, let us first study about the muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of the muscles is known as the muscular force. Example, contraction and expansion of the muscles. Next, let us study about the second type of the contact force, that is friction. Force responsible for changing the state of the motion of the objects is called as the force of friction. Example, when the ball moves with a particular speed and stops at a particular distance, it occurs due to the friction. There will be a contact between ball and the ground. It makes the object to stop after some time by slowing down its speed. Not only the ball, we can give many examples for this like chalk and the ground, bottle and the ground, etc. Now, let us also learn about the non-contact forces. First non-contact force is magnetic force. Force exerted by the magnet is called as magnetic force. Example, attraction of two magnets. Now, let us also study about the force about which we are very familiar with, that is about gravitational force. The objects or things fall towards the earth because it pulls them. This force is called as the gravitational force or the force of gravity. This force acts on all objects. This is an attractive force. Example, if we take an object and throw it towards the sky, after a particular time, it falls back on the ground. This is due to gravity. Earth pulls every object towards it because of gravity itself. We are able to stand on the earth because of the gravity itself. Now, let us know about the third non-contact force, that is about electrostatic force. The force exerted by the charged body on another uncharged body or charged body is known as the electrostatic force. The best example for this is of a comb and piece of paper. To study about it in detail, let us do an example. First take comb and comb it on your hair for about 4 to 5 minutes continuously. Then take it near the piece of paper. You can observe that comb attracts paper pieces. This is because of the electrostatic force itself. We know that comb is an uncharged body and paper pieces are also uncharged bodies. When we comb our hair with the comb gets charged and it attracts the piece of papers. Now, let us know some important facts about the force. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can increase and decrease the speed of an object. Force can change the state of an object. Force can change the direction of the object. Force arises due to the interaction between two objects. Force can act on the object without being contact with it. I hope this basic information about force was helpful. Thank you.